Let's see the Jamaican curly. All right, I got y'all now. So not only am I going to show y'all the Jamaican curly, but I'm also going to show y'all a U part. I love the no smell. The no smell is just perfect. This is what our U part looks like. Come on, y'all, get into it. So you get your 2 straps for that security, and then you would clip them here. Not only do you get straps, but you get clips, super durable. And you just clip them right in your head. Put it right in and clip it. Perfect. And it's as easy as 1, 2, 3 to install and to take out. And look at the Jamaican curly texture. Remember I was telling y'all it's the difference between a curl and a coil. This is a coil. Look at that. That's a coil. Okay? That's the difference. This is such a beautiful texture. I don't want to like run my fingers through it too much. Because we're going to ship her out. That's what I'm saying. This is selling like hotcakes. Okay? I can't even keep any samples even laying around because the girls they eating it up. And rightfully so. Look at this texture. Could you imagine how beautiful she looks when she's wet? Get into it, y'all. Our U-part wigs come in 3 different sizes. Extra small, small, medium, and then medium large. And it's perfect for different, sizes, heads, circumferences. So, and like I said, it's very easy to install.